Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use the manual emergency door release on a Tesla Model Y. I'm going to show you the front and back. This car's equipped on both front and back. Apparently on some it's only equipped on the front. Also, don't do this, only do this in an emergency because you may cause damage. So normally when you open a door you would just be pressing this button here, but let's say now if all power was cut, then we're going to be using this one here on the front. So I'm going to be lifting it up from here like so, and then it will allow the front doors to be opened. In this instance here, the window's still dropping because the car's got power. This is why you wouldn't do this unnecessarily, because the window wouldn't drop if there was no power. So the front one's nice and easy, you're just using that there to get out. Back one is more complicated. I'm just going to show you with the door open because it's easier to film, but then I'll show you with the door closed. So it's underneath here, so we're going to be lifting up this little mat like so. And then we have this little red lever here. With this red lever, we're going to be pushing it towards you and pulling it back like that. And then you can see that there's a little cable in there. We're going to be pulling that cable. You can see the little white thing there. You're going to be pulling that, and that's the manual release. Hopefully you can just see me pulling it like so. And then when you're finished, you're going to be pushing it back there, lock that into place, and then put the mat back in. Like so. Right, so now we're going to jump in the car and we're actually going to manually release the door. So now we're inside the car, pull out the mat again, move the red thing towards the inside of the car, which will lift that up there, and then that will give us access to this little white thing with the wire, the cable on the end. So we're going to pull that, and there we go. You can see now that the door has opened. So that's it, that's the emergency manual release front and back, but don't do it unnecessarily, only use it in an emergency. Thanks for watching.